Hello friends, welcome to another video of PATHAK Group. In this video, we will see NC means, numerical control hydraulic variable rake angle shearing machine made by PATHAK Group. We export our machines to more than 50 countries around the world and welcome export orders. This shearing machine can cut sheets up to 2000 mm means 6.5 feet length and up to 13 mm thickness. The machine is easily operated by HMI. HMI is better known as Human Machine Interface. The machine is equipped with a 15 horsepower motor. This shearing machine comes with YUKEN hydraulic system and is also powered with motorized back gauge. This PATHAK Group machine has 4-edge cutting blade made with high carbon steel and high chromium steel material. The 11 hydraulic hold-down cylinders in the machine helps to holding the plates or sheets securely, during cutting or shearing operation. This machine is capable of cutting a paper as well as a 13 mm thick plate. The shearing machine is used for cutting alloys and other sheet metals in the sheet metal industry. Now let's see the machine operation. First, the rake angle is set to lowest 2 mm to check the blade accuracy. Now after setting the rake angle, clearance is set between upper and lower blades. To ensure the blade accuracy, the thin paper sheet is cut with the machine. What is variable rake angle? With a proper rake angle, various thickness of plates can be cut with minimum force and energy. Now the rake angle is set by HMI for cutting plate of 10 mm thickness. After this, the blade clearance on both sides is set. Then the back gauge is set to 100 mm by HMI. First, we cut a piece of small width plant and then set up the machine for cutting a full-length plate. Now the machine is set to cut the 10 mm thick plate in full length. As you can see now, the plate cutting operation is being performed in the shearing machine. And, finally, the plate is cut with 100% accuracy. The machine can also operate on full auto mode, where the back gauge distance and rake angle are set automatically according to sheet thickness and cutting distance. PATHAK Group also manufactures CNC press brakes, CNC shearing machines, which is widely used in modern cupboard factories, electrical panel factories, and other fabrication units. Our company also makes various workshop machinery like press brake, power press machine, CNC plasma cutting machine, etc. For more information about the machine, contact us on given number, and also visit our website www.pathak.in.